Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is my office. This is part 2 of the office build out series. I'm gonna be painting today. You might hear that it's really echoey again. That's because I took out a bunch of stuff. Isn't it funny how you get into a space and you just start working and you don't realize how cluttery it gets so fast. I've only been in here a few weeks and it feels like this space just got jammed. And so I figured that I would kind of move some stuff around, reorganize, paint the walls, make it fresh, and move some stuff around so I kind of have a dedicated video space and a dedicated workspace. Before, my desk was just kind of pushed up against the wall, and I had my organizer / battery charging unit pushed up against that wall right there. What I'm probably gonna do is turn this around so that it pushes up against the window right there, and turn that so that it pushes up against that wall so that I get all of this space as a video backdrop. I'm probably gonna get like something to hang up there so that I can grab backgrounds and pull them down, green screens, colorful backgrounds and that kind of stuff, which would have been really helpful to have for that cupcake video. Would have just been able to pull down different colored backgrounds, maybe even a green screen to be able to change the stuff. But all right there, I might even have enough space to put the camera back here and then do like talking head videos where I'm way back here. Yeah, I mean, this looks cool, right? I mean, the audio's bad because I'm away from the mic, but that looked cool, right? All right. Before I paint the room, though, I want to change my clothes because I like this shirt. I like this hat. I kind of like these pants, too, so. That's more like a painting uniform. Let's get to it. First coat is done. Check it out. So much darker, so much more moody. It's got a little blue tint to it too. I don't know if you can see that or if it looks green on here. I can't really tell. It's not really dry yet, so it's not the exact color that it's gonna be. But I think this is gonna be great. I'm gonna do one more coat, bring some more stuff back in here tonight, redecorate a little bit, and I'll give you guys a little office tour. How about that? How's that sound? So here we are. This is my workstation, complete with earphones connected to my audio interface, which has my Rode NT1. Got a little MIDI keyboard here too so that I can play some music when I want to. Kind of got some lights set up for this shoot right now. I've just got this light here in the corner, this other Quasar Science tube in the corner, my Godox, however you pronounce that. Up here, it's kind of a crude lighting setup. I didn't think too much about it. Got my storage unit that's got a bunch of my quick grab gear. It's not super organized right now. Vintage gear, my 35 millimeter. And over here, I'm gonna have to move these lights a little bit. Also forgive me for this mess, because it's not exactly organized either. But what is organized, and I'm kind of proud of, is this. I can go to it and quickly find what wire is what. I've also got a couple guitars in there. I've got some more lighting gear, some more hardware, sliders, and all that kind of stuff goes in that closet. Things that I use quickly that I might need to just grab while I'm sitting here working is in there. Well, that's it, guys. What do you think of the new look? This is the new YouTube studio. It's a stark difference. It's great what a little bit of paint can do, a little bit of redecorating can do. It's amazing how just moving the desk from one wall to another, restructuring, reorganizing, helps spark that sense of creativity again. I love this dark background. What do you guys think? Do you prefer a lighter, brighter background, or should I stick with this darker look? I am gonna get something to go up on the ceiling there as like a pull down backdrop type thing, maybe like a green screen or white background type of thing, so I can change it up every now and then if I want to. But for the most part, I think this is gonna be my main look. I also plan on bringing in some shelving to kind of spice up this wall maybe. I don't know, that might be too many doors there, but I have all this vintage camera gear that I can put up on display. It's actually very useful. I can use a lot of it, but it'd really be cool to display it all out. I also have a bunch of this stuff. Just like string lights that I have laying around my house for other projects that I've done. Maybe I can try to make this useful somehow. Anyway, there's a lot of work to still be done in here, so this series is not over yet. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. But if you really want to help this channel grow, just click on one of the videos that just popped up. Seriously, if you click on one of those videos, it tells YouTube that I have videos worth watching, gives me more playtime, and gives me more clout in the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.